What is going on, you guys? Alex here with EV Sportline, bringing you an unboxing video today. Today, we're gonna be checking out the Borla EV Active Performance sound system for the Ford Mustang Mach-E. So we're gonna go ahead, tear into this box, and check out everything that comes inside of it. All right, so right away, we're greeted with an instruction manual. Looks like we've got some bracketing here, very nicely packed, lots of foam. Looks like there's a lot of parts to get to here. All right, looks like we've got the digital signal processor here. That's probably gonna be the brains of our operation. We've got some mounting brackets and some speaker grills. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this out of here. All right, getting down to the bottom of it now. It looks like Borla supplied us with a nice little hat. That's a nice touch. And it looks like this is the meat of the unit here. This is the speaker assembly. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out of here. Now it sounds like there's some parts on the bottom of this foam here, so we need to be careful. Make sure we don't lose those. So this Borla speaker assembly here has a super nice black textured, kind of rugged finish to it. Got a lot of weight to it. You can feel it's definitely heavy duty. All right, so for just now, I'm gonna go ahead and get this speaker out of our way so we can get to some of this other stuff that came in the box. Right here, we've got our wiring, it looks like. So we've got a few different harnesses here. Looks like we have a grounding strap. This looks like it's gonna be our volume knob. Some mounting hardware with that as well. And we've got some speaker grills here, and we have a bunch of mounting brackets as well. So this right here is gonna be the brains of our system. This is the digital signal processor. So our speakers are gonna plug into here, our power, our ground. It's all gonna be controlled from right here. All right, so now that we've got everything out here, I just wanna give like a quick little overview. We've got our volume knob as well as our presets here. So this will be inside the car. You'll be able to control it from this. There's also an app functionality, so you'll be able to control all this like with your smartphone. So some of the brackets here, you can kind of get an idea of how this is gonna mount up. These sturdy uprights here are gonna connect to these brackets, and this is the bracket that's actually gonna attach to the box. So these will work together. They'll kind of go together like that right there. And then this whole thing is gonna screw to the side of this box. And then this will be mounted up underneath the rear of the vehicle to kind of simulate a traditional exhaust. So that is gonna cover it today for us on this Borla EV Active Sound System. Just wanna do a quick unboxing and overview of the product, show you everything that comes with it. If you wanna check this out for yourself, you can do that at evsportline.com. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We got lots more EV videos coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.